Good evening students. Welcome to today's maths class. I hope you understood first exercise of arithmetic progression. Now we will move on to the next topic. Before that we will recall what is the general form of an AP. The first term of an AP, A1 equals A. The second term A2 is first term plus common difference. The third term of an AP is second term plus common difference. That is A2 is A plus D plus D. Become A plus 2D. A4 is third term plus common difference. Third term is A plus 2D plus D. It becomes A plus 3D. Etc. How will we write AN? So before we write AN, here A3 is A plus 2D. 2 can be written as 3 minus 1 into D. Here 3D can be written as 4 minus 1 into D. So A3 is A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A4 is A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Therefore AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. A plus N minus 1 into D is the general form of an AP, in which the nth term AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D is the nth term or general term of an AP. So if A is the first term and D is the common difference, AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D is the general term of an AP. Sometimes AN will be denoted by the letter L. L equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Usually we will use the formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of an AP or the general term of an AP. General term. Why we will say general term? Because instead of n, any number if we write, we will get that term of the AP. Let me show you one example. Before that, A is the first term, D is the common difference, AN is the nth term if there are n number of terms. For example, if there are 10 terms in an AP, n will be 10. If there are 20 terms, n will be 20. So if you want to find out the 20th term, instead of n, we can write 20. Let's see one example. That is, find the 10th term of an AP, 2, 7, 12, etc. Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. Here, A equals 2. What is D? What is the formula for D? D equals A2 minus A1. A2 is the second term, 7 minus 2 equals 5. And we wanted to find the 10th term. So here 10 terms are there in the CP. So n will be denoted by 10. Number of terms will be denoted by the letter n. Now I'll write the general term of the AP. AN equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So we wanted to find out the 10th term. So instead of n, you have to write A10 equals A is 2 plus n minus 1 become 10 minus 1. You can write it directly 9 or 10 minus 1 into D 5 equals 2 plus 9 into 5 equals 2 plus this 2 together you should multiply 45. Total is 47. Don't add 2 and 9. 9 into 5 first you should multiply. Then only we should add 2. 47 is the answer. So the 10th term of an AP is 47. Now we will move on to the exercise. For exercise 1.2. We'll see the first question. Here there are 5 sums. Fill in the blanks in the following table, given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and AN is the nth term of the AP. So here the first question, A is 7, D is 3, N is 8, and we wanted to find out AN, question mark. So already all the terms A, D, N and given. We wanted to find out AN. Here N is 8. So instead of N we have to write 8. Before that we'll write the formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. We wanted to find out the 8th term. Number of term is 8. A8. A is 7 plus 8 minus 1 into D is 3. Equals 7 plus 7 into 3. First multiply 7 into 3, 21. 7 plus 21, 28. Now we will see the second sum. The second question is A equals minus 18. D we should find out. N is 10 and AN is 0. So first we will write the formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 0 here. A is minus 18. N is 10. 10 minus 1. D we should find out. 0 equals minus 18 plus 9D. Either you should take minus 18 to the left side or 9D to the left side. So if I take 9D to the left side, it will become minus 9D is equal to minus 18. D equals minus 18 by minus 9 is equal to 2. Sign will cancel. 9 2s are 18. D is equal to 2. Third question is we should find out A. D is minus 3. N is 18. AN is minus 5. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is minus 5. A is A plus 18 minus 1 into D is minus 3. Minus 5 equals A plus 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 equals A plus minus 51. Minus 51, you have to take it to the left side so that it will become plus 51. Already minus 5 is there, equals A. 51 minus 5. 11 minus 5, 6. So it is 46. So A equals 46. The next main is choose the correct choice in the following and justify. In the second main, second question. 11th term of the AP, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, etc. is. They had given the choice. Let us find out the answer and we will select the correct choice. We want to find out the 11th term of the AP. So here we will write what is A first. A is minus 3. Now we will find out common difference D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Second term is minus 1 by 2 minus, this is this sign minus. Now A1 is minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 plus 3. We'll take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. Here it is minus 1 as it is. 2 into 3, 6. So D is 6 minus 1, 5. 5 by 2. So we have A is minus 3 and D is 5 by 2. We wanted to find out the 11th term. So before that, AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Here directly we will write A11. A11 equals, you all know A11 is A plus 11 minus 1 into D. We will directly write it is A plus 10D. So no need to write this step. Directly we will write 11 comes one number less, you write A plus 10D. So we have A is minus 3 plus 10 into D is 5 by 2. 2 and 10 cancel. So we will get again 5. Minus 3 plus 5 into 5, 25. 25 minus 3, 22. So the 11th term of this AP is 22, A11. Now we will move on to the third main. Now third main, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. First question, 2 dash 26. That means we have to find out which number will come in this box. So in this AP, 2 is the first term. So first term will be denoted by A. So A is equal to 2. So the next box is second term. So we wanted to find out the second term, A2. This is third term. 26 is the third term. So A3 is 26. So first term of the AP is given. Third term of the AP is given. We have to find out the second term. We all know that if the first term is given and the common difference if we know, first term plus common difference is the second term. But common difference is not given. So instead of that, they had given only the third term. So from this third term, we have to find out the common difference. So we are going to write how can we expand A3. You all know that An equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So n comes here n minus 1. A3, how can we write A3? A3 can be written as A3 equals A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 3 minus 1 become 2. As I told you, A3 is A plus 2D. So now you can, no need to write like this each time 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1. Directly we can write if it is 3, A plus 2D. So A plus 2D equals 26. Now we have A. A is 2. So instead of A you write 2. 2 plus 2D equals 26. So 2D equals 26. This 2 will come this side as minus 2. So it will become 24. 2D is 24. D equals 24 by 2 equals 12. So we got D is 12. We wanted to find out the second term. We all know second term is nothing but A plus D. That is A is 2 and D is 12. 2 plus 12, 14. So this column will be 14. So the second term is 14. Let us check whether common difference is getting the similar or not. What is 14 minus 2? 12. 26 minus 14. That is also 12. So difference is same. So this is an AP. Second term is 14. Now we'll see the second question. In the second question, first itself we have to find out the first term. First box. Second term is 13. Third term we have to find out. Even fourth term is given as 3. So only two terms are given. That is second term and fourth term. Second term A2 is given as 13 and fourth term A4 is given as 3. We have to find out first term A and third term A3. So in an AP, when two terms are given, what we have to do is we have to write the formula and expand it. So how can we write A2? A2 is nothing but A plus D. So A2 can be written as A plus D is equal to 13. You write it as equation number 1. How we will expand A4? A4 is A plus 3D is equal to 3. This is equation number 2. So once again I will repeat. A2 is nothing but A plus D, general form, and A4 is A plus 3D. Here it will become 3. So now what we have to do is, we are going to subtract these two equations. Equation 1 minus equation 2. You all know that when we subtract, we will change the sign. Each and every term sign should be changed. So here, A minus A, it will become cancel and we will get 0. Here D means 1D. 1D minus 3D. It becomes minus 2D equals, what is 13 minus 3? It is 10. Therefore, D equals 10 by minus 2. 2 5s are 10. Write the sign minus 5. So D is minus 5. Now we got the value of D. We wanted to find out the first term and the third term. So to find the first term, in any one of the equation, you can apply the value of D. So we will take this first equation. That is A plus D is equal to 13. This is our first equation. In this equation, where D is there you have to write minus 5. A plus minus 5 is equal to 13. A equals 13 minus 1, 5 will go to the other side as plus 5. A equals 18. So we got the first number 18. So first term is 18. Now we wanted to find out the third term. Third term, as I told you, A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A 18 plus 2 into D minus 5. 18, 2 into 5, 10, plus into minus minus, 18 minus 10, it is 8. So the third term is 8. The fourth question is, the first term is given as minus 4 and sixth term is given as 6. The remaining terms you should find out. First term is minus 4 and the sixth term is 6. So you have to find out A2, A3, A4 and A5. A6, how can we write? A plus 5D equals 6. A is minus 4 plus 5D equals 6. 5D equals 6 minus 4 will become 4. 5D equals 10. D equals 10 by 5, 2. D is 2. Now A2. A2 equals A plus D. A is minus 4 plus D is 2 minus 2. A2 is minus 2. To find A3, you all know that second term plus common difference we can add. Or we can use the formula A3 equals A plus 2D. This is easy. As you know, A2 minus 2 plus D 2 become 0. Fourth term A4 is third term plus common difference. That is 0 plus 2. It is 2. Fifth term A5 is fourth term plus D. That is 2 plus 2. It is 4. So A2 is minus 2. A3 is 0. A4 2 and A5 4. These are the remaining terms. Now let us see the fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78? We have to find out which term is 78. That is whether the 8th term of the AP is 78 or 10th term of the AP is 78 or not. In this type of question, here the 78 should be considered as AN. Which term? It is maybe 7th term or 8th term or 10th term. In this, we will consider the 78 as nth term AN, as we don't know what is n. 78. A equals 3. D equals A2 minus A1. It is 8 minus 3, 5. So we have A, we have D, we have AN. We wanted to find out n. Which term is 78? The same formula we will write. AN equals A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 78. A is 3. N we have to find out. D is 5. 78 equals 3 plus, here you should multiply 5 with n minus 1. 5 into n, 5n, minus 5 into 1, 5. 78 equals, first let me write 5n, 3 minus 5, minus 2. Now 78 minus 2, you should take it to the left side, it will become plus 2 is equal to 5n. That is 80 equals 5n. Once again, 5n equals 80, n equals 80 by 5. Cancel it, 16. So n is 16. The 16th term of the AP is 78. That is A16 equals 78. I hope you understood all these sums. Practice these sums, and if you have any doubts, let me know. Thank you.